welcome back with another video. So I am going to create here this simple project color switcher. Now as you can see, here is a setting button. Whenever we click, now it's come from the right, and we can select color here. So I am going to click this one. So now it turn out it's dim blue, and we can choose whatever we want. Now this one, as you can see, and now refresh it, and as you can see, whatever we changed at last time, it stays same. So I'm going to create this one in React.js. So let's start. Here I have already created our starter concept. Here I have a two components, app and index, and one style file. As you can see, there are some style, and this is a index.js, and here I imported index file, this is CSS file, and app file. So cut it, and I am going to write inside of this app component. So first, now open localhost 3000. So now I am going to create a wrapper that gonna be color switcher. So now color switcher, and take one heading, select color, and take color list here, and let's add some style so we can see how it's look like. So here color switcher, and give it 10 RAM, background color white. Now as you can see here, let's position it, position absolute, right 0. Now it's here, and give some style of heading, and font size 1.2. Now it's nice, and give some padding here. So padding 1 now, and let's create this color item. So here I am going to create one component, color item .js, and on color item now color item, and I have already some color, so I'm going to paste simply here, and here map it, colors dot map color, and index, I import here our component color item from color item. Now here simply write color item. So I forget what default color item. Now give some style. So here color item width 1 RAM, height 1 RAM, and background color where that's just background. Now it's too small, so I'm going to change width and height, and now it's fine. And border radius 50%. Now it's here, and let me make grid of list. So display grid and template column, repeat with one fraction and okay, one run. It's too large. I am going to change this one into two run. It's nice, and give some bottom margin of heading 1.2 rem. Now it's fine, as you can see, and create this setting button here. So here I am going to create one button and give some for now yes, and style it button and width 3 rem, height 3 rem, background color white, and border none, and position absolute, left 0, top 50%, and transform translate minus 100% and minus 50%. Now it's there, as you can see, and now it's both look same, but I am going to give color red, color red of it. So now S is red, and I am going to use this icon. So I am going here and search the mix icon, and click get started, and search here setting, and copy this one, copy and paste inside button tag. So now here, and copy this link and small it, and here go to index.html and paste inside of head. Now here, as you can see, this is our icon, and now I am going to change font size, so it's become big. So font size 1.2 rem. Now it's good, and it's not in center, so I'm going to make grid and this either center. Now it's in center. So now we need to create this different color. So how can we do that? So simply we need to do here and give the inline style dash bg color, and we want color. So I am going to pass from the parent. So here our color, and pass from here. So props color, and here I destructed it, and so now we can see all those color fill here. Now it's working fine. So let's make this whenever we click and change the color of our background. So how can we do that? Simply First we need to create, so I'm going to set color and const current color, pass event, and event dot target dot style dot get body, and which one we need to extract background color. And now console it so we can see what is current color, and pass here one click. So I'm going to set color and set color here, and destruct here set color, and add on click set color. Now inspect and let's see what I did wrong here. So I forget to write value. Now as you can see it's working fine. Now it's working fine. Let's set the color. So I'm going to create here arrow function, set theme, and I pass color and document dot document element style dot set property, and which one we need to change busy color, and pass here color simply, and we need to set theme and pass current color. Now I'm going to click here and let's see what happened here. Now it's working fine as you can see, but whenever we refresh it bring up the default color. We don't need this one. Whenever we select, suppose we select blue and we refresh it, we want to blue color because we already last time selected a theme. So how can we do that? So simply we can store the inside of local storage. So I'm going to store here, I'm going to write here local storage, set item, and pass color and current color, and here give the key and IDS index. Now invalid DOM property name, so I forget here because here now it's fine, and whenever we click it's saved inside of local storage. Now as you can see here color, and click this one and you can change. Now you can see here click this one and it's changed now. So how to check this one? Check when the app is started and we extract from the local storage and see inside of local storage has a any color or not. If it's not, we set the by default color, otherwise we select that color that is saved inside of local storage. So I'm going to use effect here, and I'm going to extract from local storage. So const local storage dot get item. So our key name is color, so I'm going to write color now and console it, and here you can see. And first let me import use effect from React. Input is not defined. Now whenever we refresh the app and is started, and first time call this use effect, and now here is console color code. Now I'm going to set this color code. So how can we do that? Simply set theme and pass current color here. Now as you can see, now select this one and cut this one, and open local was 3000. Now as you can see, yesterday same the as last we changed. It's working fine. Let's open application and delete this one. And now here you can see by default color there is defined pink. So one thing more we can need to do this simple animation, as you can see here, and I'm going to create this simple animation. So here first add one more class color services, that's just open, and copy this one and paste here and then translate. Now it go on right side. And now here take one state, const state, and set a state, use a state, and by default value false, and import here use state. And I am going to change here and write here if the state is true, color switcher, that's just open, otherwise null. So now we can click, as you can see, and add listener on button. So on click and create anonymous arrow function and set a state and previous state, convert it. Now as you can see it's working fine, but it's not animating. So simply add here transition or 0.5 second as a note. Now it's working fine, and add cursor pointer. Now as you can see it's working, and it is also working, and here cursor pointer. And here is our code, and here is our color item. As you can see, you just need to add color, and it let me add red one. Now as you can see here is red, and click this one, set and red, and cut and open local storage 3000. Now I hope you got it. I will meet you in next video. Stay safe.